Possibly you've heard about EveryDollar by Ramsey and Good Budget application, which both are both budgeting, tracking application. And today I'm going to be discussing about these two platforms and go ahead talk about the differences, and we'll round it up by me giving you my best between these two platforms. Now, as you know that EveryDollar is a budgeting application which is designed to help users manage their finances through zero-based budgeting. Okay, so it ensures that every dollar is allocated to a specific purpose. All right, why when it comes to Good Budget, it's an envelope-based budgeting application that allows users to allocate funds into a virtual envelope, all right, for different spending categories, and also promoting disciplined and planned spending. Okay, now let me go ahead and discuss about the differences between both platforms, and I'm going to be listing 15 differences and talking about the best in each of the differences so that you can understand better what these two platforms are all about. Now, the first difference we're going to talk about is the cost. Now, when it comes to Ramsey EveryDollar here, it offers both free and premium versions. The premium one costs $17.99 as at the time of creating this video, and per month, $17.99 per month, and $79.99 per year. So that's the roughly $80 per year and $18 per month. So, and when it comes to Good Budget, it offers free and premium versions, and it costs around $10 per month and $80 per year. Okay, so as at the time of creating this guide, possibly it changes in the future. All right, now let's talk about ease of usage. And when it comes to the ease of usage, EveryDollar is known for its user-friendly interface. Okay, especially appealing to those who are new to budgeting. All right, why when it comes to the Good Budget, they straightforward, okay, but they still require manual transaction entries, which can be a little bit cumbersome. All right, so in this aspect of ease of usage, we might want to go with EveryDollar. All right, and when it comes to transaction tracking, there is a premium version, okay, automatically, which imports transaction from bank account with the EveryDollar. Okay, so but when it comes to the Good Budget, they require manual entry of transactions, which can be a little bit time consuming. Okay, so in the aspect of tracking transactions, we might still want to go for EveryDollar Ramsey here, which is still much easier to in the premium version, which is still easier to import transactions from bank account. And when it comes to budgeting method, EveryDollar utilizes zero-based budgeting, which aligns with Dave Ramsey's principle. All right, and when it comes to the Good Budget, it's based on the envelope budgeting system, which some users, okay, they find it better for long-term planning. So in the aspect of budgeting method, it depends on your choice, but I would still go for Good Budget right here. All right, and talk about banking integration. EveryDollar has a premium version that supports bank integration for automatic transaction imports. Okay, and when it comes to the Good Budget, they have no automatic bank integration, so all transactions must be entered manually. So in this type of aspect, we will go with the EveryDollar because it has automatic transaction import. All right, and talk about your credit card handling. The EveryDollar, they include features to manage credit card spending, okay, and also payments within the budget. Okay, so but when it comes to Good Budget, they require manual tracking. Almost everything about Good Budget is kind of manual for you to track credit card transactions and payments. So this can be complex for users who have a lot of multiple credit cards. Okay, so possibly this aspect of credit card handling, we still go for EveryDollar. All right, and talking about historical data, when it comes to EveryDollar, they allow tracking and analysis of past transactions. Okay, why the Good Budget, they provide a view of transaction histories, but they have manual entry, which makes it less detailed. All right, so I'm talking about reporting. EveryDollar, they offer comprehensive reporting features to track spending categories and patterns. Okay, and when it comes to Good Budget, reporting is available, but there is more basic, and also it reflects only manual entered data. All right, so that is about that. And talk about the next point here, which is planning ahead. In case you like to plan ahead, when it comes to Good Budget, they are better at long-term planning, okay, with envelope savings for future expenses. Example can be annual subscriptions, or maybe you want to go for vacations. Okay, so that is about the Good Budget. But when it comes to Ramsey, they focus on zero-based monthly budgeting, which is often resetting each month. Okay, so that depends on you. Okay, that depends on whatever you want to plan ahead. Talk about mobile app functionality. EveryDollar, the mobile app mirrors the web version and it is very easy to use on the go. All right. Why good budget? The mobile app is functional but can be tedious, okay, due to manual entries, because everything you need to always do in manual compared to EveryDollar that is mostly automatic. Okay. And when we talk about user base and community, Good Budget has smaller but dedicated user base. Okay, also they have forums and community support which are available. But when it comes to EveryDollar, they have strong community support because of Dave Ramsey's reputation and platform and forums. Okay, so EveryDollar still has a high user community than Good Budget. All right. And customization, when it comes to EveryDollar, they are limited to the budget categories which are predefined by the application. So although they cover most of the needs, okay. So but when it comes to Good Budget, they are highly customizable, okay. They have the customizable envelopes that allows detailed and specific budget and categories. All right. So Good Budget might still be good in that aspect of customization. And talking about investment tracking, they Good Budget, they do not offer investment tracking, but they allow envelope creation for savings towards investments. Why EveryDollar also the focus is solely on budgeting and spending, so they do not offer investment tracking also. Now let's talk about family or household budgeting. So when it comes to EveryDollar, they support household budgeting, which is suitable for tracking joint expenses. All right. Why when it comes to Good Budget, they also support household budgeting, but with a focus on individual envelope management. Okay. Now let me talk about the last point here, which is additional feature. When it comes to Good Budget, they have simpler tools with extensive integration, okay, which is focused on core budgeting functions. Why when it comes to EveryDollar right here, they integrate with other Ramsey solutions like Financial Peace University. Okay, so those are the things that you need to know regarding the differences between the EveryDollar budgeting application and Good Budget budgeting application. Now let me talk about my final thought and also what I think, okay, because this differences has highlighted the weaknesses and strengths of both platforms, which can possibly help you to choose the best based on your specific needs and preferences in budgeting. But however, based on my understanding of both platforms, I'm still gonna go with EveryDollar because it seems to be the better choice to me, okay, especially because I value ease of use and automation. Okay, so when it comes to ease of usage, EveryDollar, they have a user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate. Okay, and also this makes it accessible to users who may not have much experience with budgeting application, which a lot of people are. And the emphasis on simplicity, okay, aligns with Dave Ramsey's straightforward approach to personal finance. Okay, and also automated transaction imports, because the premium version of EveryDollar, it supports automatic transactions imports from your bank. Okay, and it can significantly reduce the manual effort which is required to keep your budget up to date. Okay, so this feature can save you as a user a lot of time and help ensure accuracy in tracking expenses. Okay, and talking about comprehensive reporting, EveryDollar, they offer detailed reporting features that allows users to track spending patterns and make informed financial decisions. So this report can help a lot of users to identify areas where you can cut costs and optimize your budget. And also integration with Dave Ramsey's ecosystem. I mean, you can integrate well with other products and services which are being offered by Dave Ramsey, okay, such as Financial Peace University, okay, and this can provide a more holistic approach to personal finance and also combining budgeting with education and community support. All right, talk about zero-based budgeting also. EveryDollar, they use zero-based budgeting, which is a highly effective method for ensuring that every dollar is accounted for and also assigned a purpose. Okay, so this method is particularly useful for individuals or family who are looking to gain control over their finances and eliminate wasteful spending. So although Good Budget has its strengths such as detailed envelope budgeting and strong support for long-term planning, the convenience and automation offered by EveryDollar, it kind of makes it more appealing choice for me and several other users out there. So the ability to automatically import transactions and the integration with a broader financial education ecosystem, there are significant advantages that can help a lot of users to maintain and optimize their budgets more effectively. So that is what I have for you in today's video. And if you still feel like, okay, no, Maverick, maybe I prefer Good Budget than EveryDollar, then you can let us know your reason in the comment box. After all, I'm not an expert. Okay, this is just me telling you my best opinion and also stating the differences for you. So possibly you're able to also go ahead and enlighten us the more on your own knowledge of expertise. Okay. So thank you very much. And if this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Possibly it helps other people to get this video and also watch and learn from this. I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.